Hurricane Milton gaining momentum in the Gulf of Mexico, returning to a Category 5 storm. It weakened slightly over the last 24 hours, but it's back to full strength with wind speeds reaching 165 miles per hour. It's expected to make landfall on Florida's west coast tomorrow night, directly hitting Tampa and St. Petersburg. It could be one of the most destructive storms on record.
And as you know, that same area saw heavy damage from Hurricane Helene, and that was less than 2 weeks ago. And when you see those images of the devastation from storm, it's only natural to want to help those people.
Absolutely. And we know Coloradans are always generous. The need there right now is so real, but not all fundraisers are.
So before you donate, our consumer investigator, Jacqueline Allen, shows how to make sure the cause is legitimate.
It's so hard seeing the aftermath, like just through your cell phone screen.
Photo after photo.
It's completely wiped out.
Of her family's home in Redington Shores, Florida.
It's devastating to see, and being so far away, it's even harder.
Left Jess Veit feeling helpless in Idaho Springs, Colorado, until she launched a GoFundMe.
So the plan was to raise money and travel out there and rebuild their home.
We found she's one of many Coloradans with close ties to Helene, now raising money on GoFundMe. But not all fundraisers are the same.
North Carolina and Georgia and Florida, they are starting to get reports.
Megan Compton with the Better Business Bureau says they're already hearing about so-called pop-up organizations that often appear after a major disaster like Helene.
And they say it's going to go to actually helping the people that have been affected by the storm or whatever the disaster is, but that isn't always the case.
The number one piece of advice is do your research. Sites like Give.org, Charity Navigator, or GuideStar track reputable charities, their mission and financials. So what if you want to donate directly to people affected? Crowdfunding is more popular than ever. GoFundMe even has a Hurricane Helene relief hub with verified fundraisers. In a statement to Denver 7 Investigates, GoFundMe says they have technical tools and a team of experts to weed out fraud, but they guarantee a refund in the rare case something isn't right. If you really want to protect your money, though.
If it's somebody that you know and trust and you feel comfortable giving them your money, then go for it. When we start to see issues is when it's somebody that you don't know on social media.
GoFundMe, they put me through the ringer when I was setting up this account.
Jess says after GoFundMe verified her, she's already raised thousands for repairs. At the same time, her Florida family is driving to stay in Colorado and wait out Hurricane Milton. For Denver 7 Investigates, I'm Jacqueline Allen.